ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We were seeing ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य सामान्य लक्षणं चित्तमेव, पेज 55 मूलम, फर्स्ट लाइन। पर्वतो वन्यमान इत्यादावपि वन्याद्य आकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्यस्य स्वात्मांशे स्वप्रकाशतया प्रत्यक्षत्वात्। पर्वतो वन्यमान, इन दिस वन्यादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य, वन्यादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य इन दिस वन्नी इस प्रत्यक्ष और परोक्ष,
परोक्ष
एंड चैतन्य इस प्रत्यक्ष। सो इसे वन्यादि आकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य से प्रत्यक्षत्वात्। Why? Because चैतन्य in स्वात्मांशे it is स्वप्रकाश, चैतन्य पार्ट इज स्वप्रकाश, इट इज प्रत्यक्ष। टीका यत् साक्षाद अपरोक्षाद ब्रह्म इत्यादि श्रुत्या चित्वस्यैव प्रत्यक्षत्व अभिधानात् चिद्रूपस्य ज्ञानस्य स्वात्मांशे स्वप्रकाशतया सर्वस्यापि ज्ञानस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वाद् इत्यर्थः। यत् साक्षाद अपरोक्षाद ब्रह्म, दिस बृहदारण्यक श्रुति says अपरोक्षात means what is अपरोक्षात?
प्रत्यक्ष।
अपरोक्षात is which vibhakti?
Fifth
Panchami.
and change into aparoksham.
It is Panchami, but you have to understand Prathama, Aparoksham. Aparokshat you should understand as Aparoksham. चित्वस्यैव प्रत्यक्षत्व अभिधानात्, सॉरी, हाँ, इत्यादि श्रुत्या चित्वस्यैव प्रत्यक्षत्व अभिधानात्। चैतन्य अलोन इज प्रत्यक्ष, साक्षात अपरोक्ष। अपरोक्ष मीन्स प्रत्यक्ष। चिद्रूपस्य ज्ञानस्य स्वात्मांशे स्वप्रकाशतया, चिद्रूप ज्ञान स्वात्मांशे मीन्स इन इट्स ओन अंश, एज itself it is स्वप्रकाश। घटादि और वन्य आदि आर परप्रकाश। स्वप्रकाशतया सर्वस्यापि ज्ञानस्य प्रत्यक्षत्वाद् इत्यर्थः। सो सर्वं ज्ञानम इज प्रत्यक्षम। ननु सर्वं ज्ञानम मीन्स as far as chaitanya aspect is concerned is always pratyaksha. The vishaya will be paroksha or pratyaksha depending upon how it is. ननु अनुमित्यादौ प्रत्यक्षत्व व्यवहारः कुतो नास्ति इति आशंक्य तत्तद् विषयांश निरूपित प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकस्य पूर्वोक्तस्य अभावात् इति आशयेन आह. In Anumanam, etc., why there is no Pratyakshatva Vyavahara? Why do you say Vanni is Paroksha? Iti Ashankya, it is said in that there are two aspects. Vanni aspect, Chaitanya aspect. तत्तद् विषयांश निरूपित प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकस्य पूर्वोक्तस्य अभावात्. विषय अंश does not have प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजक. प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकस्य अभावात्. In this way you should understand. In विषयांश then in which amsha pratyakshatra prayojaka is there?
Chaitanyamsha.
In Chaitanyansha pratyakshatra prayojaka is there. So Chaitanya aspect is always pratyaksha. See, if we catch certain aspects of this, slowly we can do nididhyasanam on this. Chaitanya is always pratyaksha. Anya vastu anatma padartha is sometime paroksha, sometime pratyaksha. Sometimes drishti gochara, sometimes drishti agochara. Chaitanya is sarvada pratyaksha, sarvada aparoksha rupena jnata. This one aspect. Earlier we discussed pramata avachinna chaitanya, prameya avachinna chaitanya, pramana avachinna chaitanya. In other words, there is no only pramata, only prameya and only pramana. They all are actually chaitanya. Pramata, etc. become visheshana. Pramata avachinna chaitanya. Prameya avachinna chaitanya. Praman avachinna chaitanya. Chaitanya is mukhya. So in our buddhi, chaitanya will take pradhanyam. This is the advantage of studying Shastra. Because otherwise we see jada, jada, jada. Pramata is some jada chetana rupa, but pramana, prameya, we look at them as only jada vastu, inert objects. Their chaitanya is to be recognized. And then in paroksha vastu also there is chaitanya. Pratyaksha vastu also there is chaitanya. Tattad vishayansha nirupita pratyakshatva prayojakasya purvoktasya. So you have to read it this way. Tattad vishayamshasya purvoktasya nirupitasya pratyakshatva prayojakasya abhavat. In this way you have to do अन्वय. तत्तद विषयांशस्य पूर्वोक्तस्य निरूपितस्य. पूर्वम उक्तम निरूपितम तस्य प्रत्यक्षत्व प्रयोजकस्य अभावात् in anumiti etc. Anumiti, upamiti. Therefore it is called paroksha jnana. Iti ashayanaha. तत्तद विषयांश प्रत्यक्षत्वं तु पूर्वोक्तम एव. विषयांश प्रत्यक्षत्वं we have already discussed that for that it should be samana sattaka as pramata and there should be
Pratyaksha yogyata.
pratyaksha yogyatvam and one more thing.
Vartamana.
What?
Vartamana.
Vartamanatvam. Pratyaksha yogyatvam, vartamanatvam, pramatra abhinna sattakatvam. Means pramatru samana sattakatvam. टीका प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण निरूपणे भ्रम प्रमा साधारण प्रत्यक्षत्व सामान्य निर्वचनम अनुपपन्नम मत्वा आह. प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण निरूपणे, when प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण निरूपणम is done, then भ्रम प्रमा साधारण प्रत्यक्षत्व सामान्य निर्वचनम अनुपपन्नम. भ्रम
One more
प्रमा,
line
one more line is
before.
there.
ननु योग्य विषयस्य स्वगोचरवृत्ति.
ननु योग्य विषयस्य स्वगोचर वृत्ति उपहित प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्तातिरिक्त सत्ता शून्यस्य शुक्ति रूप्यादि ज्ञाने अतिव्याप्तिरित्याशंक्य आह. ननु योग्य विषयस्य स्वगोचर वृत्ति उपहित. So yogya vishayatvam was said. So he says in pratyaksha yogya it is there. Yogya vishayasya swagochara vritti upahita. Swagochar means swavishaya. Swavishaya vritti upahita pramatra chaitanya satta atirikta satta shunyasya. This was the other condition. Pramatra chaitanya satta atirikta satta shunyatvam means samana sattakatvam is needed. शुक्ति रूप्यादि ज्ञाने अतिव्याप्ति ही. सो ही सेज शुक्ति रूप्य इज इट प्रत्यक्ष और नॉट इज आस्किंग. इट इज योग्य विषय. इट इज स्वगोचर वृत्ति उपहित प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्ता अतिरिक्त सत्ता शून्यस्य मीन्स स्वगोचर वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य सत्ताक. प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्ताक, वट एवर इज प्रमाता चैतन्य सत्ता, सेम इज द सत्ता ऑफ द शुक्ति रूप्य. इट इज प्रत्यक्ष और नॉट, दिस द क्वेश्चन. योग्य विषय, इट इज सेम सत्ता एज प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्ता. प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्ता शुक्ति रूप्य ज्ञानम. शुक्ति रूप्य इज प्रातिभाषिक. प्रमात्र चैतन्य सत्ता is not pratibhasika. So the question is, in shukti rupya jnana pratyaksha vishayatva lakshana will go. If they say it is pramatra chaitanya satta atirikta satta shunya, means that shukti rupya does not have its own satta, and therefore it does not have atirikta satta. It is atirikta satta shunya. So there pratyakshatva lakshana will go. इति आशंक्याः तस्य च भ्रांति रूप प्रत्यक्षे न अतिव्याप्ति. इट इज नॉट प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा, इट इज भ्रांति. सो भ्रांति रूप प्रत्यक्षे न अतिव्याप्ति. प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य भ्रांति रूप प्रत्यक्षे न अतिव्याप्ति. व्हेन वी से प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा, there will not be ativyapti in bhranti rupa pratyaksha. Why? Brahma prama sadharana pratyakshatva samanya nirvacanena tasyapi lakshatvat. Brahma prama sadharana pratyakshatva common for both, for Brahma as well as for Prama. Brahma, Prama, Sadharana Pratyakshatva, Samanya Nirvachanam is done. When it is done, Samanya Nirvachanam, then Samanya Nirvachanena Tasyapi Lakshyatvat. Then Brahma also will become Lakshya of that Lakshanam of Pratyaksham. Further, प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण निरूपणे भ्रम प्रमा साधारण प्रत्यक्षत्व सामान्य निर्वचनम अनुपपन्नम मत्वा आह. इन प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण निरूपणे भ्रम प्रमा साधारण प्रत्यक्षत्व, that lakshana which goes in Brahma also as well as Prama also. Brahma Prama Sadharana Pratyakshatva Samanya Nirvachanam Anupapannam. Siddhanti is saying, when you do Pratyaksha Pramana Nirupana, then in that topic we are emphasizing on Prama. So not Brahma Prama Sadharana Pratyakshatva. This is not to be, this lakshana should not be used for Bhranti, Shukti Rupyadi Bhranti, Rajju Sarpadi Bhranti. That should not be taken. So, Pratyakshatva Samanya Nirvajanam Anupapannam Matva Aha. Yada tu Pratyaksha Pramaya eva Lakshanam Vaktavyam tada Purvokta Lakshane Abhadhitatvam Vishaya Visheshanam Deyam. When Pratyaksha Pramaya eva Lakshanam Vaktavyam, if the Lakshana should be of only Pratyaksha Prama, not Pratyaksha in general, Pratyaksha Prama only, एवं एव लक्षणं वक्तव्यं तदा पूर्वोक्त लक्षणे अबाधितत्वं विषय विशेषणं देयम्. Then in the पूर्वोक्त लक्षण abadhitatva also you have to give vishaya visheshanam. Abadhitatvam means in this pratyaksha yogyatvam vartamanatvam and abadhitatvam. In Tika, प्रत्यक्ष प्रमायः ज्ञेयगतस्य यथार्थ प्रत्यक्षस्य इत्यर्थः. In प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा, in ज्ञेयगत यथार्थ प्रत्यक्ष, you should give abadhitatva visheshana also. Siddhanti said. Now Purvapakshi is questioning. Nanu abadhitatvam paramarthikatvam uta sattvamatram. This paramarthikatvam is abadhitatvam or sattvamatram. न आद्यः घटादि ज्ञाने अव्याप्ते है. In घटादि ज्ञान is according to Vedanta badhita. So third number tippani says Vedanta mate घटादि नाम अपि बाधितत्वात्. Okay. And therefore it is not paramarthika. So he says Ghatadi Jnane Avyapti. Avyapti means Lakshana doesn't go. Lakshataratvam. So Ghatadi Jnanam, Purvapakshi says, according to you, it is Badhita. But according to others, it is not Badhita. And they think that is Paramarthika. So because Ghatadi Jnanam is Abadhitam, therefore it is Paramarthikam. or in Ghatadi Jnanam, according to you, it is not Paramarthikam. Therefore, Ghatadi Jnane Avyapti. Siddhanti will say, Siddhanti will explain. So this is one paksha, one Purva paksha. Second, na dvitiya. Shukti rupyadi jnane ati vyaptes tadavasthyat. And Shukti rupyadi jnanam is badhitam. Badhitatvad, it is not paramarthikatvam. So he says Shukti rupyadi jnane ati vyapte. Ati vyapti means paramarthikatvam is there, badhitatvam may not be there. In this way, Siddhanti says both of the pakshas are not correct. तादवस्थ्याद इति आशंक्य संसार दशायाम अबाधितत्वम विवक्षितम. In samsar dasha abadhitatvam. So when it is said pratyaksha prama lakshanam, pratyaksha pramayaha eva lakshanam, then you should give abadhitatvam vishaya visheshanam. So he says this abadhitatvam is samsara dashayam abadhitatvam. This is already discussed. Sundar Pandyaji's shloka from Brahma Sutra were quoted here in Vedanta Paribhasha. Sansara dashayam abadhitatvam. So when I am sansari, then all these are abadhita. Means they are considered as valid. Pratyaksha, Anumana, etc. Shukti iti. Shukti rupyadi brahmasya samsara kalina bhad vishaya pratibhasika rajatadi vishayakatvena ukta lakshana abhavat nati vyaptihi. Shukti rupyadi brahmasya, Shukti rupyadi bhranti, they are sansara kalina bhad vishaya pratibhasika rajatadi vishayakatvena. Pratibhasika is not clear. Make it clear. So Shukti Rupya is a Pratibhasik Jnanam. In Pratibhasik Jnanam, Rajatadi, Pratibhasika Rajatadi, its Vishaya, Samasa Vigraha, Sansara Kalina Badha. Tasya Samsara Kalina Badha. Tasya Vishaya, Sansara Kalina Badha Vishaya. Vishayaka. Vishayaka kim? Pratibhasika Rajatadi Jnanam. Pratibhasika Rajatadi Jnanam is Sansara Kalina Badha Vishayakam. Pratibhasik Vastu's Jnanam gets negated in Samsara Kala Eva. Pratyaksha Prama does not get negated in Samsara Kala. So it is Samsara Kalina Abada Vishaya Pratibhasika Rajatadi Vishayakatvam. At Sansara Kala, the Prama Jnanam is Abadhitam. Bhranti Jnanam is Badhitam. Is this clear?
Yes, Swami.
Yes.
प्रातिभाषिक रजतादि विषयकत्वेन उक्त लक्षण अभावात न अतिव्याप्ति. उक्त लक्षण अभावात means पूर्व पक्षी said there is अतिव्याप्ति दोष. There is no अतिव्याप्ति because we consider Shukti Rupyadi Brahmajnanam Sansar Kalina Badhita. So Pramalakshan will not go there because Pramalakshan has now Abadhitattva as Vishaya Visheshanam. So this is Badhita. Shukti Rupya is Badhita. Therefore, there is no Ativyapti. Brahmasya means Bhranti Jnanasya. Pratibhasikatvam, Pratiti Kala Matra Vrittitvam, Anirvachaniyatvam, Iti Yavat. Brahmasya means Bhranti Jnanasya. Pratibhasikatvam means Pratiti Kala Matra Vrittitvam, Anirvachaniyatvam, Iti. Pratiti Kala Matra Vrittitvam. When pratiti is happening, when experience is there, only at that time it is recognized. Pratiti kala matra vrittitvam. In some of the advanced topics that I discussed on Ekajiva Vada and Drishti Srishti Vada, what do they use for this pratibhasik vastu? Anybody remembers? It is called Jnataika Sattvam. Only when it is Jnatam, it is existing. Here it is given Pratiti Kala Matra Vrittitvam, it is same. When Pratiti is there, it is existing. When Pratiti is not there, Avrittitvam. Shukti Rupya is this side. You look there, Shukti Rupya is gone. Then again you look, when let's say light is turned on, it is not Shukti Rupya anymore. So it is Pratiti Kala Matra Vritti or Anirvachaniyatvam iti. Yav. Anirvachaniyatvam 4 number tippani. Anirvachaniyatvam iti ga pustake nasti. In some pustaka Pathandara is there. Second number tippani is also like that. तथा च तदानीम अनिर्वचनीयम रजतादि उत्पद्यते. तदानीम तदानीम कदानीम प्रतीति काल. प्रतीति काल है. In pratiti kala anirvachaniyam rajatadi utpadyate. At that time anirvachaniya rajata utpatti takes place. Tasya shukti jnana badhyatvat. That shukti rajata, when it is appearing, it is only negated by that adhisthana jnana, that shukti. Means in Shukti Rajata Bhranti will not go if I see Hattastha Rajatam. I have to see Rajata there, I mean Shukti there, where I see Rajata. Shukti Jnana Badhyatvat. So, Shukti I should see there as the Adhishthanam of Rajat. Tad Jnanasya Badhita Vishayakatvam iti bhava. Tad Jnanasya Badhita Vishayakatvam. So this Jnanam, Shukti Rupya Jnanam, its Vishaya is Badhita. In Sansara Dasha itself it is Badhita. Badhita Vishayakatvat, it is Bhranti. Bhrantitvat, whatever we Pratyaksha Lakshanam that we have done, in that this Lakshanam will not go. That's the objective. ओके. इदम असहमानो अन्यथा ख्यातिवादी शंकते. Now there is somebody who is anyatha khyatiwadi. Before that, you see Moolam on the previous page. Shukti Rup, we finished this. Shukti Rupyadi Brahmasya Samsara Kalina Bhada Vishaya Pratibhasika Rajatadi Vishaya Ukta Lakshana Bhavat Nati Vyapti. Shukti Rupyadi Bhranti is Samsara Kalina Bhadita. So Shukti Rupyadi, its Vishaya is Samsara Kalina Bhada Vishaya. It has samsara kalina bhada vishayatvam. Shukti rupya bhranti. So samsara kalina bhada vishayaka, if you want, pratibhasika rajatadi vishayakatvena ukta lakshana abhavat. It is badhit vishaya, abadhita visheshana will not go to this lakshana. Therefore, there is no ativyapti, na ativyapti. There is a tippani, second number tippani. In Moolam it is there. Yada tu pratyaksha pramayaha, everybody found? Eva lakshanam vaktavyam tada. Yes. So tippani says, kha pustake purvoktam abhaditattvam iti patha. Sacha ayukta. The patha is tada. Purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam विषय विशेषणम देयम. Tada purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam. If you want the lakshana only of pratyaksha prama, then you should also add abhaditattvam in the visheshana lakshana. So here Tippanikar says purvoktam abhaditattvam. That he said purvoktam abhaditattvam, purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam vishay visheshanam deyam. And then such a ayukta, he says. Abhadita visheshanasya purvam anuktatvat. So purvokta, see this Moolakar, what did he say? If you want pratyaksha prama lakshanam, tada purvokta lakshane abhaditam vishay visheshanam deya. You should give a visheshana abhadita vishaya. So it doesn't go in shukti rupya, rajju sarpa, etc. Now if you see the tippani, it says purvoktam abhaditattvam. This is not appropriate. That's why Moolakar said purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam, not purvoktam abhaditattvam. Because his argument is earlier abhaditattvam was never given in lakshana. It was not purvokta. Purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam. So abhaditattvam was not given itself according to Granthakara. I mean Tippanikara. But Granthakara says, no, I am not saying purvokta abhaditattvam. He says purvokta lakshane abhaditattvam vishay visheshanam deyam. Abhaditattvam he used earlier, if you remember. Abhaditattva was used for विषय, प्रत्यक्ष विषय है अबाधित विषयत्वम. In Pramalakshanam, abhajita vishayatvam was given. So it is not saying abhaditatvam, it is saying abhadita lakshane, purvokta lakshane abhaditatvam. So in pratyaksha, he said abhadita jnana vishayatvam and anadigatatvam. In pratyaksha jnana, abhadita jnana vishayatva is there. Therefore, jnanam is also abhadita. So it was said indirectly in Prama Lakshana. Here he says we will have to add abhaditatvam in the Lakshana so that there is no ativyapti in Bhranti. Idam asahamano anyatha khyatiwadi shankate. Anyatha khyatiwadi. Who is anyatha khyatiwadi?
Nayayikas.
How many khyatis are there?
5.
Panchakhyatayaha. 5 of them. What is the shloka?
आत्मख्याति रसख्याति रख्याति ख्यातिरन्यथा तथा निर्वचन ख्याति रित्येतत् ख्याति पंचकम्.
गुड. आत्मख्याति रसख्याति रख्याति ख्यातिरन्यथा तथा निर्वचन ख्याति रित्येतत् ख्याति पंचकम्. आत्मख्यातिवादी, they are क्षणिक विज्ञानवाद, बौद्ध. So I will explain this in brief now. Atmakhyatiwadi are Kshanik Vijnanwadi. What do they say? Other than Vijnanam, there is no Padartha, there is no Vishaya. What is Shukti Rajata? It is Jnanam. Then, if somebody says, if it is only Jnanam, then Jnata is also Jnanam, Jnaya is also Jnanam, Jnanam is also Jnanam, everything should appear as one. He says, no, even though everything is Jnanam, you see Bheda. Bheda Nimittaka is Pratibhasika. But it has the ability to create actual Bheda. Actual Bheda means how we think Jnata Chaitanya is different, Jnaya Chaitanya is different, Pramana Chaitanya is different in this way. This is the Bhranti. Asatkhyativadi says everything is Shunya, everything is Asat. So, according to them, the experience is of this Asat Vastu. For example, if Idam Rajatam, somebody says. So in Idam Rajatam, that Rajata Jnanam, and then you verify whether this is Rajata Jnanam appearing or not, Kshanikam or not. And you will realize this Jnanam is not Smriti. And this Jnanam is not Prama, let us say. Idam Rajatam in Shukti. So this Jnanam, what we call as Mithya, they call it as Asat. Therefore, they are Asatkhyativadi. So two are clear.
Yes, Swami.
Which were the two Khyatis?
Atmakyati and Asakyati.
Atmakyati and Asatkyati. Kshanik Vijnanavad and Shunyavad.
About
Then Akhyativadi. Akhyati is of Mimamsaka. Prabhakar Mimamsaka. Prabhakar Mimamsaka says there is no Bhranti. They are Akhyativadi. So according to them, in Idam Rajatam, Asat, in Idam Rajatam, there is no Chakshu Sannikarsha with Rajata. Therefore, Rajata is Smrita. It is a Smriti. And Pratyaksha is of Shukti. In Shukti, Rajata I remember and I superimpose. So that Rajata is not Pratyaksha. But therefore there is Akhyati. Akhyati means, this Khyati means Jnanam. Akhyati means something which is not recognized. Then Anyatha Khyati. Anyatha Khyati Vadi Nayayika says, if there is Shukti that I see here, and in that I have thought this is Rajatam, actually that Rajata is Deshantar Vastu, Kalantar Vastu. And still, in that, there is a mix-up of two Jnanam. What is that? Rajata is Smriti and Shukti is Pratyaksha. So Rajata was Hattastha Rajata. Shukti is Pratyaksha. Both of them put together is New Jnanam. Idam Rajatam. This is what they call Jnana Lakshana Pratyasatti. This topic we will have to see in detail. Jnana Lakshana Pratyasatti. Next Vikalpa is Anirvachaniya Khyati. Fifth one. That is us, Vedanti. That is Anirvachaniya. So Anyatha Khyati Nayayika Dese Pratyaksha is Shukti, Paroksha is Rajat, Hattastha. Between these two Jnanam, there is mix-up, and therefore they are different, but it is Anyatha Khyapanam. One Vastu is appearing as something else. What is that something else? It is Smriti. Some samskara udbodhanam takes place. So according to Vedanta, this anirvachaniya vastu utpatti takes place at the time of pratiti. When I am experiencing, anirvachaniya vastu is utpanna there. And that is what is experienced. That is called mithya. Okay. So now here in back to Moolam, Anyatha Khyativadi is doing Shanka. What is his Shanka? Nanu visamvadi pravritya bhranti jnana siddhapi तस्य प्रातिभासिक तत्काल उत्पन्न रजतादि विषयत्वे न प्रमाणम विसंवादी प्रवृत्तिया भ्रांति ज्ञान सिद्धौ अपि so there is samvadi and visamvadi pravritti that is explained. I think we'll take it in the next session. So you see on next page there is one number tippani on 57 and on 58 the entire page tika is to explain this Samanya Lakshana Sannikarsh, Jnana Lakshana Sannikarsh, and what is the Virodha, etc. So that we will see in the following session. But you can look at it, at least you will have some samskara. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha Om Shanti Shanti Shanti